We're back in the shop with old Rusty here. Nolan, you ready to get this engine out of this thing?
Yep, I'm ready to get it running.
So we got an engine from my buddy Trent right over here. It's been in my shed for quite a long time, and hopefully it's good. We're still gonna figure that out, but we gotta get this old knocking thing out of here, and we gotta fix the roof a little bit where it kind of come up. We just gotta paint this thing. We gotta do a lot of work, but it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna get this thing out. I'm probably gonna pull my Super in and get the gas tank dropped to change the strainer for the fuel pump while Nolan's pulling things off of this.
Yeah.
But this is episode 2 of getting the S13 back on the road. Y'all ignore the shop. The wind been blowing this week. A lot of leaves coming into it. I'll probably try to blow this out as well, because I did have it pretty clean up until we had a storm Tuesday or Wednesday. It's just been bad weather all around. But let's get after it. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, check out all the videos we have, because we've brought a bunch of things back to life. Maybe not the best way, but we're doing it our way. This would be the Build One More way, but it's probably the ghetto way. Either way, don't break this under if I'm not buying another one. Yeah. Let's get this head off of this thing, get it up in the air, and drain the oil. What'd you say? The electric fans for the AC, the clutch fans for the engine. Fuel tank's at the Super. I'm waiting on a new strainer to get here now. Nolan's steadying along, getting everything unhooked out of the Nissan. What are you doing? Don't worry about that. You leave that there.
This is connected to the engine.
Yeah, I know. I'll show you how to get it off, or where to take it off at. Fuel lines are off. Most of the harness is off. You still gotta pull it up and around.
We got powered steering lines.
We got the AC stuff. It's gonna be dropped. The power steering line's gotta be pulled off. We gotta get the sub harness off, and then do all that. Guys, it has been a few days. Saturday, we had to stop and go pick up a car in Brunswick. So we just kind of left the 240 here. It is Monday. We are closed today. It's Martin Luther King Day. So me and Nolan decided that we'll get it finished up today. We have to get the engine pulled out. We have to clean up the bay and paint the bay. And then we are going to get the new engine in. I say new, it's used. He's slowly getting to work. We're just gonna put the camera down and get to work. We'll show some of the cleanup process. But we still have to go get Scotch-Brite and some paint. But let's get this underway. This is day number 2 technically on working on it. And we'll hear it run, hopefully good, here in just a little bit. And it's coming out of there.
Yay.
Nolan did it.
No, I didn't. You did.
Yeah, I did it. He did most of it.
Thing.
No.
Yep.
Definitely did not do the entire thing.
Maybe.
You know, look at my chain wrap around the distributor. Look, Frank's here, helping.
If you call it helping. Jesus Christ. Attacks.
I don't know what Nolan's vendetta against Mr. Frank is, but he gives him a hard time.
I just want to give a... Y'all remember America when y'all did that to Pearl Harbor? This is how the Japanese got us back. Look what they put in a Nissan because y'all did that to Pearl Harbor.
Got a damn truck engine, pre-runner engine.
All right.
Is it going clear, Nolan?
Not the headlight.
Cool. We'll get the transmission held up. We're going to pressure wash and get this bay painted. Look at there. Engine's out. It's progress. So we got the bay all cleaned up. Here's the new engine right here. It is sitting up here ready to go. So we're going to get it put down in there. And then we actually had a massive change of plans. There's something pretty cool that's happening. So just stay tuned for that. You'll see. We're going to make a little bit of a surprise. These taillights are not going to stay on this car. Neither is the taillight panel. So hang tight, bear with us a few hours, and we'll show you guys something pretty darn cool. But we'll have this in back running here for too. Had another moment of postponement on working on Nolan's S13. I will now show you the surprise we were talking about. Hey, look, Joseph's here. What's your shirt say? Let's see it. Turn around. Yeah. If you guys want to, if you're a golf girl, hit Joseph up. His name's Joseph Riccatoni.
Hasn't worked yet, but maybe it will.
I don't know how to say your last name.
Riglione?
Oh, Riglione.
Oh, I'm doxing myself.
No one watches. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, check it out. Dent in the driver's side door. rust-free hatch. It's a 90 model 5-speed. We just went and bought. This is gonna be the one we build. Screw the other one. Guys, look, I got it all back together and enough to crank it up. Let's see if it does. I kind of just done all this without talking about it, because I think we got this thing sold, considering we got the other hatch. And I'll show more of that in the next episode. Well, let's see. First start. Woo! Tons of vacuum leaks. But hey, look at there. It runs. Let's get rid of this darn thing so we can focus on the other one. I'll show you guys. I put the stock tail lights out the other car, back in this one. And we'll see. This one's actively for sale if anyone wants it. A little rusty project. But we're going to continue on getting it the rest of the way together and get all the vacuum leaks sorted out. And then it'll be on someone else if they want to fix it up and make it as good as it can be. We're on the single cam things for some reason. It's a cleaner car. Thanks for watching this episode. You guys like, share, and subscribe, and give me some ideas of what to do with the maroon 240, which I'll be seeing more of next week. Alright guys, and the parts 240 is gone. And I call it a parts 240 because that's really all it's good for, but he's gonna go drive it and beat the crap out of it, so it should be fun. That's the end of that one.